With the right AI tools and a strategic approach, earning $5,000 in a week is achievable. Focus on high-demand services and platforms. Some examples include AI content creation, social media management, copywriting, and automated graphic design. Essential AI tools include ChatGPT for writing, Jasper for marketing copy, Canva Pro for designs, and Copy.ai for high-quality content. AI-powered side hustles are beginner-friendly. Most tools are easy to use with templates and support for starters. Plan for about 15 to 20 hours in the first week for setup, then maintain 5 to 10 hours per week for ongoing management. Quickly find clients via freelance platforms, promote on social media, or join online communities seeking AI services. Once established, scale by offering more services, increasing prices, or outsourcing work. AI simplifies client management. Some benefits include automation, scalability, and flexibility in choosing your services and schedule. Beware of risks like overcommitting to clients. Manage your workload to ensure deadlines and quality. Start learning AI tools, create service offers, market yourself, and focus on customer satisfaction to earn $5,000. With the power of AI, you can earn $5,000 in just a week with minimal effort. Are you ready to make it happen?